Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why the UH-60 Blackhawk has remained one of the world's most trusted military helicopters for more than 4 decades? From combat missions and special operations to disaster relief and medical evacuations, the Blackhawk has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable and versatile helicopters ever built. Even as newer aircraft continue to emerge, the UH-60 remains a vital asset for the U.S. Army and dozens of allied nations around the globe. So, what makes this helicopter so special? Let's take a closer look. The UH-60 Blackhawk was developed by Sikorsky Aircraft during the 1970s to replace the aging UH-1 Huey, which had served extensively during the Vietnam War. The U.S. Army needed a faster, stronger, and more survivable helicopter capable of operating in modern combat environments. After years of testing and development, the Blackhawk officially entered service in 1979, beginning a legacy that continues today. At first glance, the Blackhawk features a rugged yet streamlined design. Powered by 2 General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, the helicopter delivers exceptional performance under demanding conditions. Its 4-blade main rotor and 4-blade tail rotor provide excellent stability, allowing it to operate effectively in difficult weather, mountainous terrain, and combat zones. Performance is one of the Blackhawk's greatest strengths. The helicopter has a maximum speed of approximately 183 miles per hour, or around 295 kilometers per hour. It can fly over 320 miles without refueling, and with auxiliary fuel tanks, that range increases significantly. This allows military forces to transport troops and equipment quickly across large distances while minimizing exposure to enemy threats. Inside the cabin, the UH-60 can carry up to 11 fully equipped combat soldiers, along with a crew of 4 consisting of 2 pilots and 2 crew chiefs or door gunners. When configured for cargo operations, the Blackhawk can transport more than 9,000 pounds of external cargo using a sling load system. Whether delivering ammunition, vehicles, supplies, or humanitarian aid, the helicopter has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to perform under the toughest conditions. One reason the Blackhawk remains so valuable is its incredible versatility. This helicopter isn't designed for just one mission. It can rapidly deploy infantry during air assault operations, evacuate wounded personnel from the battlefield, deliver humanitarian assistance after natural disasters, conduct search and rescue missions, transport military leaders, and support command and control operations. Special Operations Forces also operate highly modified versions of the Blackhawk equipped with advanced navigation systems, defensive countermeasures, specialized communications equipment, and mission-specific technology that allows them to operate deep inside hostile territory. Survivability has always been a major priority in the Blackhawk's design. Critical systems are duplicated to ensure the helicopter can continue flying even after sustaining damage. The aircraft features armored crew seating, self-sealing fuel tanks that reduce the risk of fire after impact, and a crash-worthy airframe designed to protect the crew and passengers during emergency landings. Even the transmission system is engineered to continue operating for a limited time without lubrication, giving pilots precious minutes to safely land the aircraft after severe mechanical failures. When it comes to firepower, standard utility versions are typically equipped with M240 or M134 door-mounted machine guns, allowing soldiers to provide suppressive fire while inserting or extracting troops. Armed variants can carry additional weapon systems including Hydra 70 rocket pods, Hellfire missiles, and advanced targeting equipment depending on mission requirements. Throughout its service history, the Blackhawk has participated in nearly every major U.S. military operation since the early 1980s. It served during Operation Just Cause in Panama, Operation Desert Storm, the conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan, numerous peacekeeping missions, humanitarian relief operations, and countless combat deployments around the world. Perhaps its most famous mission occurred during the 1993 Battle of Mogadishu in Somalia, where several Blackhawks were shot down during an intense urban battle. That event later inspired the best-selling book and the award-winning film Black Hawk Down, introducing the helicopter to millions of people worldwide. Today, the latest UH-60M Blackhawk represents decades of continuous modernization. The newest variant features upgraded engines, improved composite rotor blades, advanced digital avionics, GPS navigation, enhanced flight management systems, modern glass cockpit displays, and significantly improved reliability and maintainability. Subscribe for more military aviation videos and don't forget to turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.